We'll guide you through how to make and receive calls on an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you may be working on your iPad and so you want to go and deal with your phone calls on here as well. We're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this. So to go and get started, go and grab your iPhone like so. Now open your settings. Now you need to go and scroll down and we need to come to apps, and then you want to scroll down to phone so we can go and find it and come into it. In here you want to go and find calls on other devices. So come down and find it, and you want to go make sure it's switched on and then go and switch on your iPad. Now what you need to do is come onto the iPad and you need to go and open up your settings. Come over to the left and you want to go and scroll down and find apps. Then we're going to go and scroll down and we need to go and find FaceTime. This is alphabetical, so go and find it and go and tap on it. Make sure FaceTime switched on and make sure you go and switch on calls from iPhone as well. This means they'll then be coming through. You will need to go and have your iPhone nearby. Phone calls should now be coming through on the iPad. Drag down the battery and go and turn off Do Not Disturb like so in the control center. Find the phone app, you can always drag down and search for it and you can open it up. In the top right, you can press on the keypad and you can go and see your recents as well. So we can go and press call like so, and then it will go and start calling. As you can see, the phone call is then coming through. Leave a like if you found this useful.